sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. And it's your boy, Mr. Wait a minute. Let's actually back this up.
Now we're going to throw Kelly in the water.
So as you can see, we're getting them ready. And now it's time. It's your boy, Mrbucketlist. Check this out. And check this out right here. Yep, she almost got bit. I was actually back there freaking out, as you can see. And this is what happens to people that can't swim. There's plenty of sharks down here. This place was amazing. Now check this surprise out. You'll have two different views, one from the boat and one from the ocean.
Move around all you want. You guys can get something up on this side too.
This is crazy. Oh my goodness.
Amazing. Now on to my list of pros. And here's the list of cons. When it comes to my rating, this is most definitely a must-do. Thanks for checking out my video. Why don't you stop by my channel and check out more videos just like this. Until then, I'll see you next time. Yes.